Hey, my name's Sonia and I want to show you how you can edit the photos in your templates easily in Canva. So just X myself out. So in the templates that you may have purchased, I'll just go to one, you'll find that they have little photo placement cards. So what they are is just something that you can find in the Elements tab. So I'll go right to the top. And if you go to Elements, Frames, if you go to all, frames are often up the top, and if you see them, they'll come in all different shapes and sizes. You can have iPhones, iPads, rip paper, there's letters, like it's pretty cool what there is available. So I'll just go back to my template. So I've just picked a standard square frame, and I'll just go to my folder of images, and we'll go to some stock images, and we'll just grab something like we'll pick a image. So if you like something like that, you just drag it across, and if you double click on the image, you'll notice that you can move it and position it where you like it. Some images are a perfect square, while others are more like the size, a story size. So sometimes when you double click on them, you can move them around. So if I go to a template like the florist template, you might want to change it to obviously your own images of flowers. And so if you go pick an image you like, all you have to do is just drag it across, and the photo frame really just snaps it up. And that's how simple and easy it is to edit a photo frame in Canva. But in saying that, I'll go back to this one, I'll delete that. What you can also do is get rid of the photo frame, and you might want to, hang on, I'll pick this one again. So obviously if you've just clicked on a photo, you don't have a photo frame, you can actually pull it down with this little side piece, and you can pull it in. So that will also cut your photo down as well. So there's a few different ways you can use the whether you use the photo placement frames or just pop in a photo from your pile of photos in your folder. So I hope that's helped, and yeah, have fun.